Close your eyes. Take a slow, comfortable breath. Imagine yourself standing on a quiet beach. The sand is warm beneath your feet. A gentle breeze brushes across your face. Listen to the steady rhythm of the waves. Each wave arrives and gently returns to the sea. Feel your shoulders begin to relax. Relax your jaw. Relax your hands. Let the warmth of the sun gently settle over you. There is nowhere you need to be. Take one final, slow, deep breath. Hold it gently. Slowly breathe out. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Open your eyes. Carry the peace of the ocean with you. You are worthy.